Welcome to Homework Lib.
So here we have the graph between the electric field. This is in the multiple of 10 to the power 4 newtons per coulomb, and this is the radius, the distance here basically. And we need to figure out the value of the density, in fact the volume charge density, which is rho. And this is the graph for the electric field versus the distance r from the center for an insulating sphere which is charged, and that is having the volume charge density as rho here. So as we know that the electric field is equal to rho r by 3 epsilon naught. So considering r to be lesser than the radius, because here if we look at the expression E directly proportional to r, that means this is the equation of the straight line, and well here the equation of this straight line is demonstrated by this straight line equation here. So we check that value of r at which we have exactly the value of E given to us, and it can be obtained here. So what do we observe? That when r is 8 millimeters, so in terms of SI unit, let's use 10 to the power minus 3 meters, the value of electric field here would be 6 times 10 to the power 4 newtons per coulomb. So let us use these two values of E and R in this equation to get the value of rho here. So putting these values into the expressions, we get 6 into 10 to the power 4 equals to rho times r, that is 8 times 10 to the power minus 3 over 3 times epsilon naught, that is the permittivity in the free space, and that would be 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 approximately. So we just rearrange and get the value of a rho here. That would be 6 times 10 to the power 4 times 3 times 8.85 times 10 to the power minus 12 over 8 times 10 to the power minus 3, and this will give us the value. So let's just simplify in short. So first we'll multiply 6 and 3, so that would be 18, then multiplying with 8.85 and further dividing it by 8, we get 19.91 into, now simplifying this multiples of 10, so this would be 10 to the power minus 9, and 10 to the power 4 when we multiply we get 10 to the power minus 5. And the unit of rho, because this is volume charge density, so it will be coulomb per cubic meter. So this is the value of the rho.